AI in Google search can be useful, but it's also one of those love it or hate it tools. Like, even if you want it or not, Google will still shove AI overview in your face. But luckily, now there's an escape. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. If you've been wanting to turn AI overviews in Google search off, there's a pretty easy way to do that. Officially, there's no one way to turn off AI overviews in Google search. Google has said from the very beginning that AI overviews are a feature of search in the same way that featured snippets and knowledge panels are. There's a web filter that brings back the original 10 blue links version of search and some other workarounds. So it won't be called an option that's not super well known though, but rather a quick and easy modifier. The trick is simple. If you add -AI to the end of your query, the resulting Google search will be free of AI overviews. See, it's really that simple. Google search modifiers, also known as operators, have existed for ages, with one of the most useful being to add quotation marks to specific words to ensure that Google's looking for that exact spelling and order of words. But there are a ton of other useful tweaks like this -AI one. And if you want to know more about them, Google details a number of these on a support page. While this modifier isn't a permanent solution to get rid of the AI overviews, it's still a useful way to exclude them from places you might not want to see AI. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.